Hey Thomas, how's it going? How did it go at the doctor's yesterday?
Not great really, Morgan. I may as well not have been there. All they did was speak to my mum about stuff and didn't direct anything to me at all. Like they thought I wouldn't understand or something. It doesn't feel like they respect my opinions just because I'm young.
Doesn't sound like a great experience. Mind you, even when they do speak to you, they use such complicated language that you haven't got a clue what they're on about anyway.
That's true.
I didn't have a great experience when I went to the hospital last week either.
Why? What happened?
You know that I choose to be called they instead of she. Well, they had no understanding or respect for that at all. They kept misgendering me and I had to keep reminding them of my pronoun. I didn't feel like I wanted to engage with them at all.
That sounds rubbish. You have a right to be called any pronoun you choose. Did you tell them?
I told them the name I wanted to be called loads of times, but I don't think they listened. I stopped talking to them in the end. And then because I'm 16, I got put on a ward with loads of adults. I felt quite scared.
Doesn't sound like either of us have had a great experience. All we want is that people are kind and respectful of us and our opinions.
Exactly. We just want to be listened to, be informed, and be allowed to make our own decisions about things that affect us. I wonder if they know that children and young people have rights.
And I wonder if they know how upset, angry, and disregarded we feel when these rights aren't respected.
Imagine how happy and empowered we'd feel if they talked directly to us, respected our choices, and made sure our rights were met.
We all have a responsibility to ensure that children's rights are met. Children's rights are human rights, specifically designed for all children under 18. The UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, the UNCRC, consists of 42 articles that define each right. They include the right to protection, to a family, to education, to play, to be heard, and to have good quality healthcare. The Welsh Government has promised to consider and protect children's rights in all that they do, and services that support children need to do the same.